Yeah, this is sketch as fuck. Oh shit, you ready? Yeah. Let's fucking go.
Hey, we're starting.
I'm gonna go all the way on that side, far away. You guys see if you guys can move up on them. You wanna try this corner? I'll do it right here. I hate leaning.
I feel like an old man. My knees are so bad. I have such bad knees from baseball. I caught way too damn much. Oh, shice. Get Ron, help us now, let us get through this.
That is still looking at us from here, so fuck, let's see. What do we got? What do we got?
You can go down to this little building, there's little windows in it.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
I like that!
Yeah, but this guy straight across is trying to get this guy out first. Right, it's moving up a guy.
You're asking around the corner.
What happened?
Dude.
I got for it now.
You get it?
Yeah.
Wow.
I was at the end. Did you see how good I got in the legs? Which one? The one I was running up on? After he called it eventually, I was like,
Yeah.
I only heard it hit his pant legs as he was right there at the end when he first started coming. Did you get it? Yeah, I was like, oh, easy target, light him up, and then he didn't call, so I just kept shooting. I couldn't see for sure if you hit him. I just heard you hitting like his heel.
The guy coming right here.
Basically,
You heard him? You heard that BB hit home when I was over there?
which one?
When they hit the guys next to you?
I heard two.
Yeah.
There was one, there was a loud plastic crack.
Yeah.
That was a helmet.
Yeah.
And the other one was nylon, and the guy said that that was his vest. So then the other one had to be the other guy.
Yeah.
There were two hits.
They both called it, so.
Yeah, there's that one dude with that blue mask. I could have sworn I shot him like right there because as soon as the beacon was right by him,
Yeah.
it was like that.
Yeah. He flinched.
No, but Nate was saying that round was way better. He said there was, didn't you?
Dude,
Yeah, there's no one in there.
Dude, we were in that pit the whole time.
Yeah.
That's funny. We didn't even go out this way. It was all like.
That's why you had the issue with the guy with the shield. I saw him get lit up earlier.
Oh, yeah, I shot him at the end. I shot him, he called it, he was fine.
Yeah, I just that's why I fucking held it on his leg.
Maybe your gun's just shooting too light or something. Well, still, it could just be not enough FPS.
All right, cool. Let's.
Look at all the BB stuck in it. the fucking riot.
He was going through the on the ridge with one of his buddies. Remember that? And
Yeah, that dude got lit up a couple times. I saw.
I completely messed with my. For how big that shield is, you'd expect him to use it. No, it completely messed with that.
Okay. Wish me luck, homie.
Go for it.
Baby.
Oh.
Well, I mean, I had.
Yeah, it's kind of more drawn, yeah.
Yeah. Alright. No, you're good, homie. Good push, though.
In the fucking bus. Oh, right in the.
So how does this game work? We can revive people?
I don't know.
Cause he just dropped. He just sat. Like he did like a like a dying animation.
That's good.
Like a derpy. Yeah. But I have a feeling, dude, as soon as we step out, all those dudes are hanging out in the trench right there. It's up to you though. There's nothing going on here.
I'm a camp. I'll start a fire right next to me.
Oh, I got smoke. Just fucking pop it in here. One guy walking in from spawn. This guy doesn't know where he got shot from. I hit him twice.
What's that, homie?
He's a big target, so. Now you can follow it. Alright, cool. He's walking out. There's another dude that was trying to shoot me earlier, where I shot that first guy in the school bus, but you don't have a good angle because this is a really tight squeeze shot.
Hey, one of you guys fart? That would be.
Damn, dude. Oh, here. Is it out or not? He's having a conversation. Oh, I hit him.
Come on, baby. I think we're just in scoop phase now. I'm not gonna do that. Yeah.
It's pretty chill in here, though. Low key.
Oh yeah.
That's not bad.
They covered up my boat.
You know the boat in the back over there?
Yeah.
I used to snipe from in there, but they put all kinds of wood back there. That's it.
Yeah, good shit.
Oh, our guys had power. No wonder they were going to stop coming this way.
Oh, they had tower?
Yeah.
Well, I seen like in the middle when we were in there, our guys were literally shooting directly out that way. Because I can see them through this hole, and I can just see them pointing their guns at the trench. And I'm like, either they're outside our RV or they're just by the trench behind us.
Fucking camping into it.
Fucking just waiting. I was like, I'm just chilling here, fuck it.
You got a camp and fire. Definitely need a 2-point sleep in the bitch.
Over here. Alright. So I'm gonna find a new spot.
Go get us some extra points.